The Fine Woodworking Program recently received a donation of a pair of clamps, the like of which none of us has seen. Master screw creates a scissors-like motion which draws the jaws of the clamps together. In a glue-up, we would have assembled the joint dry, positioned the clamps, open the joint, get the glue on, and bring it back home. Here we're working with stock of unequal dimension. The clamp can be manipulated to allow for that. Each jaw can be positioned at a different location on the screw body. Ideally, the master screw body would fall near the center of the joint. These clamps could be used in a situation where a bar clamp would be awkward, such as an angle joinery, or say in a situation where you had a stretcher longer than a bar clamp at hand.